Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of petrified wood. So what is petrified wood? Petrified wood, also known as fossilized wood, is a type of wood that has been preserved through the process of fossilization. This means that the original organic material of the wood has been replaced by minerals, often silica or calcite, over a long period of time. The fossilization process occurs when a tree or plant is buried under sediment, such as sand or mud, and is cut off from the oxygen it needs to decompose. Over time, the minerals in the surrounding sediment seep into the wood, replacing the organic material with inorganic minerals. This process preserves the structure of the wood, allowing it to be discovered and studied by paleontologists and geologists. Now you might be wondering, why is petrified wood such a popular collectible and used in home decoration? Well, it's not just about the unique and beautiful appearance of the wood, but also the symbolism behind it. Petrified wood is a reminder of the cyclical nature of existence and the transformative power of time. It symbolizes the beauty inherent in change and encourages personal growth, evolution, and adaptability. So if you're interested in adding a piece of petrified wood to your collection or using it in your home decor, you can find a wide variety of options at low prices and with fast shipping. Just remember to share our page and follow up with us to receive the exact item pictured. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found this information about petrified wood fascinating and useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.